Hey friends, this is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead, and I'm going to make lasagna today in a crock pot. This is our birthday weekend, and I am making the lasagna. Okay, so what we have is the carafe of my big flat crock pot, and I'm just going to take a pastry brush and butter this because everybody knows if you butter it, it comes out better. So first, we're going to take some of my home canned spaghetti sauce and we're going to put a layer in the bottom. You don't want too much because you want to be able to top everything off, but you also want things not to stick. Now folks, this is why I can my spaghetti sauce fully loaded, so that I don't have to make the sauce when I'm making the lasagna. Okay, so we'll just give that a shake. I bought these oven-ready lasagna sheets because, well, I'm not lazy. I just don't feel like cooking noodles. And these were fairly fresh. I'm just going to cut this down the middle with a pair of scissors. This is 2 cups of just 2% cottage cheese. Briar has very nicely whipped in 2 eggs, some garlic powder, some salt and pepper. That's all we need for that. Now, if you want to use ricotta cheese, folks, you go right ahead. I am not a huge ricotta cheese fan. I have always had cottage cheese in my lasagna, so that's what I am doing. All right, next layer. And here. And now goes the mozzarella, or most of the mozzarella. This is just a fast lasagna, folks. And that. And sauce all over top. Okay, and we're just going to top this with the last bit of mozzarella. I used a pound of mozzarella for this, which Briar grated. Thank you, son. And now I'm just going to take some of our Parmigiano. Okay, this goes on. And it's going to go into the carafe on low for most of the day. And here is our crock pot lasagna. Isn't that gorgeous? Now I'm just going to turn this down to warm and let it set up for about half an hour. And there it is, crock pot lasagna. And I didn't get fancy with the layers either. Looking good, eh? Yum. This isn't my regular 6 million layer lasagna. Go ahead, Howie. But it's the crock pot lasagna. How come you're not sitting at the table?
Why are you not waiting for the whole meal to be done?
Crock pot lasagna, what do you think?
Awesome.
Awesome. Okay. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday.
This is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, and that's crock pot lasagna. Papa tested, Papa loved. Take care, God bless.